Mary is so special to Jesus that in the Bible, John chapter 2, when Mary approached Jesus on the matter of the wine occasion in a wedding, Jesus answered, "Woman, what concern is that to you and to me? My hour has not yet come." It seems Jesus is rendering Mary a right to be concerned to things. And Mary got the message clear. She knows her son knows how to do his part. And she seems to know her son will work a miracle. And she is expecting this. So she told the servants, "Do whatever he tells you." Lastly, we see the hard time of Mary's importance to her son when Jesus left his mother to John, commanding his faithful disciple to call Mary as mother, and saying to Mary to call the faithful disciple John as son. The last moment is to the man the most vital moment that could decide for everything he has power unto. And if Mary is that special, he would not care to mention her. So I think you know already